Francis Fukuyama, Our Posthuman Future, Consequences of the Biotechnology Revolution. Welcome to the summary of Our Posthuman Future, Consequences of the Biotechnology Revolution, by Francis Fukuyama. This book explores the potential impact of advanced biotechnology on society, politics, and human nature. Delve into the consequences of various biotech advancements such as genetic engineering, neuropharmacology, and the extension of human life. Understand the concept of a posthuman future and its implications on human dignity, morality, and social progress. This summary will also present the potential threats and challenges posed by unregulated biotechnology, and the need for a balanced approach regarding its development and applications. Prepare yourself for a riveting journey into a future where biotechnology has the power to redefine what it means to be human.
The Dark Side of Biotechnology. The book argues that biotechnology poses a significant threat as it can alter human nature and lead us into a post-human era. Biotechnology offers both advantages and dangers in one comprehensive bundle. The advancement in biotechnology might allow for the manipulation of the human body chemistry and genetic composition, creating a world with no negative effects. Meanwhile, the political implications of biotechnology raise questions about how political rights will be defended when science holds the power to breed people with saddles on their backs and spur others. Genetic advancements and the future of life. The possibility of adding special genes to human DNA to enhance memory and maintain normal body function raises questions about the future of life and how we perceive death. The use of neuropharmacology has seen the spread of psychotropic drugs like Prozac and Ritalin to control behavior, leading to a desire to reduce personal responsibility and an expansion of the therapeutic realm to cover more conditions. These advancements in genetics and medicine may have implications beyond what we currently imagine, blurring the lines of what it means to be human and changing our relationship with death. The impact of genetic engineering. Genetic engineering has become a common practice in agriculture, but the question arises, how far will the technology be applied to humans now that the Human Genome Project has completed its mapping of human genetics? The merger of biology and information technology is known as bioinformatics and is one of the new hot fields of medical endeavor. Proteomics, the study of how proteins interact with the human organism, is also a burgeoning field. While genetics cannot be safely applied to humanity yet, advancements in the life sciences field have been remarkable. Even if genetics never reaches its potential, the impact of biotechnology will still be profound, particularly in understanding neuropharmacology, prolonging life, and causation of behavior through genetics. These developments will impact society as human nature is fundamental to our progress. Ethics of biotechnology. The politics surrounding science in contemporary times has brought up a significant question on how to preserve human dignity. Stem cell research is one of the critical areas of biomedical research that has emerged recently. However, there are growing concerns about how biotechnology may affect human dignity. One of the issues is the stratification of genetic variation. In the future, social elites could possess not only the social benefits but also a genetic cornucopia of abilities and skills, creating a permanent underclass with fewer opportunities. It is essential to consider the ethical implications of biotechnology on social and economic inequality. Biotechnology Regulation. The potential of biotechnology is compared to that of nuclear science. While nuclear technology is kept under strict control, the findings of Human Genome Project are published publicly on the Internet. The author suggests that countries must regulate the development of biotechnology, establishing institutions that discriminate between risks and benefits. Debates must progress beyond a libertarian camp advocating development without any bounds and an opposing moral camp. Science is incapable of establishing the ends to which it is put, hence, the question becomes political. The potential of biotechnology is substantial, and biotechnology must be regulated. The future of biotech ethics. Advances in biotechnology present a dilemma. Where do we draw the line between what should be and should not be allowed? Bioethicists have emerged alongside the industry and, at times, when appropriate questions are raised, have sparked consequential thought. Yet, they have also become sophisticated enablers of whatever the scientific community wants to undertake. The Human Genome Project committed 3% of its budget to studying the ethical, legal, and social implications of its research, a commendable practice. One proposed solution is to permit genetic therapy to cure diseases while forbidding enhancements that go beyond the medical purpose of healing. We're on the verge of a post-human future, thanks to technological advancements that give us the ability to change what it means to be human gradually. Society must consider whether this is a desirable outcome that does not lead to conflicts. Freedom to alter human nature could mean the loss of a shared notion of what it means to be human, which could dissolve the bond that holds society together.
As we reach the end of our journey through the book, Our Posthuman Future, we've explored the profound impact biotechnology could have on our society, politics, and human nature. This revolution presents both incredible opportunities and significant threats, from genetic engineering and neuropharmacology to the extension of human life and altering human behavior. In this age, we need to strike a balance between innovation and regulation, avoiding extremes of unrestricted advancement or complete stagnation. Navigating this complex terrain will require attention to human dignity, moral concerns, and social implications. The biotechnology revolution also calls for thoughtful discussions about the potential consequences of altering human nature, and the need to establish institutions that weigh the risks and benefits of emerging technologies. As we progress into a posthuman future, it is essential that we remain conscious of the dangers and possibilities of fundamentally changing the essence of humanity.